Hello. So I picked myself up a new keyboard, and I figured, do an unboxing and I would review it. I bought it from Monoprice. It was on sale for $27.99. It is a mechanical keyboard. It is the item number or product number 13858. The link will be down below in the description here. This is the packaging. There's not much to it. We just have a little bit there. Again, there's the 13858 Multicolor Backlit full-size blue switch mechanical keyboard pro. Now, I bought this, but I think I misread the description. I wanted one with different color LEDs, or ones that I could change. Put it that way. This one you can't actually. Yeah, I can't actually change the colors in this. It's kind of like a rainbow, which obviously I can't show you right now. But this is the keyboard here, as you can see. It is packaged nicely. There's actually not much with it. Most mechanical keyboards come with key puller and stuff like that. This one doesn't. I was surprised. It is a smaller keyboard. I like the smaller style. But we have basic user-defined, this is our user guide here, function keys, media player, multimedia functions. It's your basic stuff here. We have different modes for the backlighting. You can change the brightness and stuff like that, of course, which is common. But keyboard here, it's USB, of course. USB connection there, of course, gold plated. That's a good thing, right? I believe this is a plastic top, plastic bottom. We have the Monoprice logo there, little gaming thing there, the gaming mode actually it has. Then we have our standard status lights. You can hear it, it's clicky. We have all the way across the top here, we have our various function keys, which you would use with the function button. We have our NKRO, 6KRO, it's the key rollover. Here's to change the lighting brightness, and here's to change lighting styles, which is the same thing. You press the function and all that, and back and forth. Then here you can change, you can customize it. You can light up certain keys if you wanted to. And that's it. I mean, there's not much more to it, really. I didn't. I believe there are Otemu keys. I lost the page here on my tablet. I had it open. Hold on here. It's not wanting to load here. Oh, there it goes. Anyway, it's loading up here. Full LED illumination, professional performance. They're blue switches. They're Otemu. It doesn't say they're Otemu in the listing for it, but I know one of the customer questions asked about it. But I don't know if you can, so I can't light it up. But yeah, it's like a rainbow colored keys. They're LED backlit, and they are bright, which is what I want. I did plug this in actually just to make sure. I've gone through a lot of keyboards, and I found that backlighting is nice. Like I just got one for review actually with the individual keys, and you can program the individual keys. I like the keyboard, but even on the highest, brightest setting, I could barely see it at my desk with the light on. It was ridiculous. I mean, you could barely see the lights on it. And these are nice. This is a nice and bright one. I can tell you that much. This one here, it feels really heavy. I'm surprised. It's very, very heavy. I'm not sure the exact weight on it, but of course we have our rubber feet there. We have our stands, and then there's a cable channel here you could run through if you wanted to, or you can run it there. Either way, nice braided cable. Monoprice mechanical gaming keyboard. It's not a bad choice. So once I get the full review up, after I use it for a while, I'll put the review up, and we'll go into some more detail, and I'll have the link down there in the video. But that's it. I mean, for $27.99, I think it's well worth it, even if it isn't individual RGB keys. Thanks.